What's up guys, it's me Mr. Tusick. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a medium drop fade with a freestyle design using the SupRent Pro clippers. So today we're going to be using the SupRent Pro Zeus trimmers. We're going to see how they cut. We're going to use them to make a freestyle design. When making a freestyle design, it really doesn't matter as long as the design has the same width all throughout the whole design. As we go in right here in the temple area, we set in my first guideline. Making a design really doesn't matter how you do it. You can throw in some curves, throw in some hooks. Don't be afraid of taking your time with the design. You got to look at it like sculpting. Take a little bit out at a time. You can always do a little bit more later in the design, but just don't take huge chunks out of it. Just work with it and see where it'll lead you. To make a design look super crispy, you just got to make sure it has even width all around. Once you're happy with your design, you can always go back in there and trace the original design. That'll give it a 3D effect. Once you've traced it, go in there and remove all the excess hair that's in there. There's plenty of ways that you can go about your design, either leaving the outline, throwing a fade in there, however you want to do it. Like I said, there's no specific way on how to do a design. Just let it flow and see where it'll take you. Once you're done with your rough draft, go back in there, double check your work, make sure everything is nice and clean, everything is spread evenly throughout the design, everything is the same width. You don't leave any patches, you don't leave any hairs standing out. Just make sure it is nice and clean. That's what design usually takes. Just making it clean. It doesn't have to be crazy, just making sure it's even throughout. Here we're gonna use the SupRent Pro shaver. It's pretty good. It has a little digital screen at the bottom that lets you know how many minutes are left in the shaver's life. After setting your baseline with a 0, open your lever all the way and set a guideline nothing bigger than 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch. Make sure you have even strokes and an even width all throughout your second guideline. With your one guard on the clipper and your lever open, put your second guideline in there. It should be nothing more than 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 of an inch in width, and remove some of the bulk. The rest of the bulk we're going to take off with clipper over comb. Now, using any flat top comb of your choice, we will remove the bulk using clipper over comb. Remember to keep your clipper with the lever open. The comb has to be laying flat on the head, and just cut off whatever sticks out.
Art would take you on a little trip.
Using your half guard with the lever open, remove the guideline between the 1 and the 1/2. For a smooth transition, make sure you close your clipper halfway to remove the line between the 1/2 and the 0. Last step is to remove any excess hair at the bottom with your trimmer and create a smooth transition between the 0 to the skin. After you've applied shaving gel to the design, make sure you go in there with your straight razor to make the lines super crisp. If you can fit in a shaver like an Uno, go in there to avoid any nicks on the client's head. Well, here you have it guys. This is the final product. Freestyle design on the left side and a medium drop skin fade on the right side. Let me know what you guys think. Stay tuned for the SupRent Pro foil shaver unboxing.